Here I have Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select lens here, and tap open camera, then while using the app. And now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, it suggests me the web page, which has been encoded into this QR code. So you can just tap on the search icon and this page will be opened instantly. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.